Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carlie. I'm a mama to a 1-year-old daughter, and if you've been to my channel before, you know that my channel is all about cleaning, organizing, motherhood, all of that stuff that I've been doing in my home for the past 8 months that I've been doing YouTube. But we are currently in our travel trailer, as you can see. For those who don't know, my husband is a professional motocross racer, so we come down south in the winter time because it is too cold in Pennsylvania to do any of his training. So we are in South Carolina right now, and it's still kind of chilly here. It's 50 degrees in the morning, and it warms up to 60 in the afternoon, but so I have a beanie on. It is still kind of chilly here. Hopefully in the next few weeks it warms up. We are in this travel trailer until April, the middle of April, and then we go back home, and we will be home for the summertime. But my channel is going to look a little different over these next few months because I'm obviously living in here. I'm not living in my home, so I can't bring you home cleaning and organizing content, but I can bring you that here. Evelyn is with me. She just got done eating her breakfast at the table, but today I'm just going to go ahead and kind of show you what it's like living in a travel trailer as a mom and a wife, all the cleaning and organizing. And as you can see, I mean, this travel trailer is pretty big, but we're very limited to where we go, so it is very different living in here versus at home. So today I'm going to show you what it's like living in a travel trailer as a mom, so day in the life. The first thing we did when we woke up this morning, we woke up around 8 o'clock. Evelyn actually woke up around 7:50, but we laid in bed for 10 minutes. Then we got up, changed her diaper. I made breakfast. I started cooking eggs. We had fruit. I make a really big fruit salad when we're down here just so we can pick out of it throughout the entire day. Then me and Evelyn sat down at the table to eat our breakfast, and Joel is outside working on his quad, and he is getting ready to start his day training. We also have a family vlog channel. I just posted a video today that kind of shows you a day in the life of Joel and me and Evelyn doing what he does, going riding and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will have it linked down in the description box below. But right now, Evelyn and I are done eating breakfast, and I need to go ahead and clean up from breakfast. You guys, living in a travel trailer is so hard to keep up with keeping it clean because the space is so small and we have a lot of stuff. So right when we're done eating breakfast, this place is trash. Right when Evelyn wakes up from a nap, this place is trash. So you're going to be seeing me clean a lot throughout these day in the life videos, but I'm super excited to bring you guys along on this journey with us, living in here for the next 4 months. It's going to be crazy. We've done it for the past, I don't know, I've been with Joel for 10 years, so we've done it for the past me probably going with him 6 years, so I'm pretty used to it. But this time we have a toddler who is mobile and into absolutely everything. So let's go ahead and clean up the kitchen and the rest of this travel trailer, and then once it is all nice and clean, I will give you guys a little tour.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
So now that the living space is probably as clean as it's gonna get with Evelyn being awake, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the little kitchen area that we have. I just have dishes to do, bottles, and throw some food out that we didn't eat this morning. But after that, then we're gonna go ahead and play for a little bit, because normally what we do, we probably will go outside and then Joel will start riding. I won't film any of that or anything because we do all of that on our family vlog channel. This is basically just motherhood stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen now.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise.
done eating breakfast and the rig is semi-clean. This is as clean as it's gonna get probably. I'm going to play with Evelyn because she just came over and grabbed my leg with some blocks, so that means she wants to play. I'm going to get her dressed. I'm actually not going to show you guys the entire travel trailer today. I'm actually going to be doing a entire video just dedicated to like a travel trailer tour because I got a bunch of like organizing stuff and things that I feel like you guys would want to know about. I'm not going to do like a detailed one in this video, so I will definitely do a detailed tour probably in my next video after this one. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and play with Evelyn and then get her dressed, and then we will probably head outside for a little bit of playtime. Where's your belly? 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 Your belly? Yay! Yay! You did it! Woohoo! Here's your block. Here. Is anybody else's kids almost impossible to get dressed? Because my 15-month is insane. Like, I'm sure you just saw a little bit of it. She tries to escape, she screams, and then she'll calm down and she'll like jibber jatter with you. So next I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do her hair. She absolutely hates this part, but otherwise her hair is in her face all day, so I need to do it. Oh no, our hair tie broke, I think. Did it break? Nope. What? What's Daddy doing? What does the cow say? What's the cow say? Moo. What does the piggy say? Oink oink. Oink oink. Piggy. Getting a toddler dressed and ready to go in the morning is the best workout you could ever get. We have about like a half-mile walk down to the track, so every day we do about a little over a mile of walking. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We went to watch Joel ride. I showed you guys a little clip of Evelyn in the stroller. On the way back, she fell asleep, which is perfect because it is 1:42 and she's been sleeping for probably like 40 minutes now. I think we walked back at like 1 o'clock, but I was able to sit down and eat lunch by myself and get some editing done for our family video that we have coming out today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long since we're stuck in this travel trailer for the next 4 months. I don't want to have my content be all the same, so I don't want to keep doing the same things over and over again. So that's why I'm ending it here. But for the rest of the day, we are just going to wait for Evelyn to wake up, and then we will play, eat dinner, do bedtime routine, and then go to sleep and do it all again tomorrow. We are pretty consistent with everything we do throughout the days. We're not too far from like a shopping center like Target and TJ Maxx and stuff like that. So Evelyn and I will definitely be getting out here and there to go on some little shopping trips. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.